9th of February, Super Bowl Sunday. I'm just gonna turn the camera on. Follow along if you want. I might have some words of wisdom. Highly doubt it. Pulled my table out here, you can see. I pulled it away from the wall a little bit, give me some room to work. We're gonna cut a whole bunch of stuff here all at once. That's nice. All right, now, that gives me some wood to play with for a minute. I gotta turn on my compressor. Today I'm using this Metabow. It's a pneumatic stapler. Put it up here so you can see it. You just slide this back and drop in the staples. Just like that. It's pretty simple. Press the trigger, push it, or push it up against so it depresses that little guy there, and then pull the trigger. Either way, now see if I cut this right. Perfect. All right, next up on the agenda, this guy, no, not this guy, this guy over here. I don't like either one of those available spots. How about this one? There we go. All right. Check it. That's good. Almost out of staples. These are the staples I'm using today. Let's see, what's the box say? They are 7 3/4, 1 inch long, 7 3/4 wide. Pull the trigger, or I guess the safety lock. Slide that down, push the little button. We're back in business. Okay. Next one, I think we'll run a piece of cake. Okay. Next, these boards are wet. They're pretty wet. They're gonna dry, and so I'm putting them so close together as opposed to like up here, because they're gonna shrink and there's gonna be a gap like these up here. These boards that I put on, these were drier. They're not gonna shrink as much. It's okay if it has a gap. I don't mind the gap. In fact, I kind of like the look of it. You guys probably can't see that anyways. I mean, stuff is in the road. I'm gonna put a door that slides across here. Barn door. So, it's not gonna matter anyways. It's gonna have gaps in it. Just the look of it. I mean, look at that big old gap up here. Look at this big gap right there. There's flush. See the difference? See the reveal there? That's the difference between this is a wet board, the wider one, and the drier board. Huge. Something to be aware of when you're putting this stuff up. These boards are going to shrink. Shrink like a turtle coming out of the cold pool. Wasn't that a Seinfeld? I think it was. A little Seinfeldism. Oh, I'm getting warm. Take my jacket off. Got dahlias down there in my boxes. Spin move. Where'd it go? Over here. Remember where you're going, Chucky. I got about 4 or 5 more to go. Layers, levels, runs. I wonder if I can just put full ones in and just finish it off. Nobody's gonna notice. It's only me. I'm the only one that cares. I mean, you're gonna see that. That's all broken up, right? So it looks fine. Nobody's gonna look down at the bottom and see straight runs where the joins are. I don't care. Maybe I'll put one more join in. The rest will be just straight. Got enough for this. All right. I need something to drink. I need a soda pop or something. No more sugar. It's a new year, new me. Thanks for coming. Hope you guys have a great day.